Hi friends! So you have created on Book Creator, you've already done your cover, and you should have done your table of contents. Notice that this is the heading for page 2. For page 3, we are going to be working on the definitions. This is going to be the heading for your next page, page 3. So that is why I've already typed definitions, and definitions is spelled like that. Make sure you're spelling that correctly. And then since I'm a little particular, I like to make sure that my size and the font is the same. So size 68 in Delius. You don't have to do that, but I like to do that. So size 68. Oh, I'm good there. In Delius. Delius. Oh, there it is. Okay, good. Awesome. All right. Now today we are going to be talking about rhyming words. So what I want for you to do is add a new text box. And what you're going to do is you are going to type rhyming words. And I'm going to make this be a capital. It doesn't need to be, but I think it looks a little bit nicer. Okay? And then you should be set for today's reading lesson. Okay? Bye.